Hey everybody, this is Dave Cooper and we are at British Offsite and I am staying with the one, the only, Paul Cashman. Paul, you have been with British Offsite now for quite some time. I don't think anybody knows it better than you. You're also out there talking to people all the time about the benefits of offsite construction and the way you guys are doing the uni well. Walk me through this a little bit. Help me understand it.
Okay, so British Offsite manufacture probably the most advanced light gauge steel 2D closed panel system in Europe, if not the world. And we've got a state-of-the-art 180,000 square feet here where we do that using robots and some really clever human beings as well.
So talk me through this. What are the benefits of doing it this way? I mean, you were doing it the old-fashioned way before this, right? Regular site, framing and building.
Yep.
But now we're looking at the benefits. It goes much further than just what's happening in the factory. It goes to on-site sustainability. Walk me through.
Absolutely. So what we're doing in terms of waste here in the factory alone, so we print our own steel. So there's less than 2% waste in that. Yeah. We CNC cut all the boards and the waste that we use in other areas of the panel. So there's very little waste and zero landfill. At the insulation, we actually spray in, so there's zero waste. And because we're putting the external insulation on here, every small part of that waste is used throughout. So there's zero waste on the external. Now, if you were to do that on site, not only have you got to send the metalwork, the insulation, the windows, the glass, and everything to go with that, you've also got to cut that on site and you've got to get the waste away. So we save around half a skip per plot compared to traditional fixing.
What about time? Walk me through the time savings.
So time-wise, we have two main panel systems here. We have an SFS system, which goes into RC frame. And by using our SFS system, you will probably get your handovers about 30% quicker. Yeah. So if you're a 3-year project, you can get an idea of the sort of savings you can make. But those savings on the program are not only on the prelims of the job, they're also on the cash flow. So the stakeholders, the clients involved with that, borrowing the money for it, it makes a huge difference to the timescale. If you go over to our load-bearing system, we can improve a structure build by about 60%. I mean, the savings are massive. We build sort of 23 panels a day on one of the projects we're working on, and we're saving, that's building about 2 apartments a day, watertight. That's pretty impressive.
It is impressive. All right, so Paul, tell me a little bit. Who's the customer? Is it single family? Is it multifamily? Is it high-rise, mid-rise construction? Walk me through.
So in terms of the people that are purchasing our products, they'll be the tier 1, tier 2 main contractors, but we get it specified by the architects, the local authorities who buy into the benefits. And it's all well and good having the benefits, but we have to bring that in value and we convert that into value for them on their projects.
These lines are humming out here. I just did a factory tour. You guys are putting out thousands of units, right?
Yep.
Currently, you've only been open in this facility for a year, give or
just
take
over a year.
some. And you're getting ready to ramp up to even more production than that.
Absolutely.
What's the output you can do?
So on a single shift, we're looking at about 4,000 homes here. We can do about 115,000 linear meters every year, but we can ramp up and close down as much as we need to suit the environment and the market that we're hitting.
Paul, you're the best, man.
Honestly. You're always welcome.
Yeah, no, I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Nobody knows it better than you. You've been part of this process since I've been coming, even before this building was built. So there you have it, everybody. If you want to learn more about British Offsite, Paul Cashman is the man to speak to. I'm Dave Cooper. Thanks for watching.